Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2023 video tutorial. I want to do the next part for the 7-cylinder radial engine, the piston. Let's have a look at the drawing. So here it is, and you could make a screenshot and follow then this exercise step by step if you want. So let's have fun with Autocad. Okay, let's begin with a sketch. Let's go for polyline, which starts at 0, 0, then goes straight up 66, then goes to the right 62, then goes down 6 to this direction 2, then down 2, back, down 2, over here. Let's zoom in like this, try to snap, yes, then goes down another 2, back to the outside, then goes down 5, then in that direction 2, 2, 2, and then let's try to snap here, yes, and close. Let's go for a revolve, which should be on the solid plus. So go for a revolve. That's the profile. Right click, select this point and that endpoint as axis and go for 360 degrees. Great. Now let's hide that solid. And I want to switch to a different view, so let's go for, I think it's the ZX view. Yes. Yep, and go for a circle, but that should be on the sketches layer. Circle at 0, 0, and the diameter should be 112. You could do it with a cylinder as well, of course. Let's go for an extrude. Right click and then this should be 15. And that one should be on the solid minus layer. Let's hide this one as well. Right click. And let's go for a top view here. Like that, yes, and I need a circle at 0 column 27.5 and the radius should be 25. I need a copy of this one, so go for copy, right click, go in that direction, and the distance should be 55. Then I would need, I could try it with a rectangle, so let's go for a rectangle and snap here on the quadrant and over there as well, like that. Yes. Now go for the trim, and you have to go for the standard trim, so go for the mode standard. Let's start it. So these are cutting edges. Yes, right click. Let's remove this, that one, this one, that one. Enter. And now let's make this a polyline. So select, go for multiple, select these and those, right click, confirm, Yes. Join them. Fuzzy distance is 0. Enter, enter, and that's a polyline. Great. Now I want to have another extrude. Right click, enter, and this should be 60 millimeter. Put this one onto that solid minus layer, and let's hide it as well. Okay, now I have to switch to my, I could go for the top view like this, and I need a circle at 0 column 33, and the diameter should be 15. Again, you could go for a cylinder. And now I want to make an extrude with that one here. Right click, enter, and this should be 140 millimeters. Let's click it and move it in that direction by 70 millimeter. Put it onto the solid minus layer. Bring back all bodies like that, and maybe switch to wireframe like that. Now we can subtract from this blue solid, right click all those orange ones. So this one, that one, and this one. Like that. Right click, and I am done. Let's switch back to realistic. Maybe hide the sketches. I know it's okay, and I'm done. So I hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.